Do you want more control over when OneDrive runs on a computer, whether you're converging bandwidth or need to pause syncing? Here's how to quickly turn OneDrive on and off on Windows. First, locate the OneDrive cloud icon on your taskbar's notification area. You might need to click on the small arrow to show the hidden icons. Right-click on the OneDrive icon. A menu will appear with several options. To temporarily stop syncing, select Pause Syncing and choose a time frame. To turn it off completely, select Close OneDrive. You'll be prompted to confirm and click Close OneDrive again. To turn OneDrive back on, simply click on the Start menu, type OneDrive and open the app. You'll see the cloud icon reappear in the taskbar. That's how you turn OneDrive on and off as needed. A simple way to stay in control of your syncing schedule. If this video helped you, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more videos like this, and thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.